Hello guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye. Hello my people, another day. I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also now they fine. When I say why this woman why they smile small so I'll put one video for una watch am. This pastor that they call him Pastor Emeka. See the prophecy where you just they do, my people. Now wow, not the way person no go see for all this pastor for their hands. But I no verse for my voice, and I know say the thing still there. This cold weather of a thing. So this pastor come the prophesy come there for where then they for their church for them. Be like say then they do some events. I don't know. I'll put the video now, watch and be more and leave on a comment. It's very, very important. So this pastor come say, as all of them take there for inside the this thing for there, he's saying they look for Mariam. So now many people when they call Mariam, now they come they run come out. One way carry pikin for back, come see join them. So now you can say one way he fed there for one so place. Now he needs, which is that woman way carry pikin for back, and the woman come stand. Now the pastor come they tell her many things. So my people, not be small thing. It's like I don't know as I take talk because the way the pastor take talk, it's like he know the story already. The way just say they talk. Now the woman say yes. Now so una go watch am mona see. I know why me I talk too much for this video. Mona just watch am. Then una drop una comments. Whether na believe the pastor or whether na wetin he don program or whether na wetin they don tell am. I don't know. I know they there. Now wetin I see now they talk so. My people, mona watch the video. Help me to share. Make other people see. Make them leave their comments. Make them. That no say every day now they see new pastor they come out. So we not come they understand what they go on for this our country Nigeria, because the many pastor where we get, like I said, then they see miracle, then they see vision. Therefore don't repair the country. Therefore don't tell us what it go happen 3 years time, 4 years time. The only pastor where I see say talk what it go happen about this Russian and Ukraine. Now be Professor what do they call no what do they call that pastor say? What do they call her? TB Joshua. Yes, I see the video 9 years ago. He talk and say something go happen between Russia and Ukraine, and it really did happen now. My brother and sister, me I put this video. Mona watch and mona leave on a comment. Help me to share. Bye bye. One love now. Bye bye.
I don't know why I hear a name like Mariam. If you are Mariam, run out. Are you Mariam? All of you are Mariam. You too, Mariam.
Yes, sir.
You, Mariam.
Yes, sir.
You, Mariam. Among all these Mariam, which one lives in Kayako Street? Are you the one?
Yes, sir.
You're the one I'm talking to. Professor! The prophetic favor.
Your day don't break.
Madam, you have been praised since yesterday. God used this man of God to locate my case. Sister, talk to me. You don't talk to me before. You don't talk to anybody around me. Can I talk to you now? Can I talk to you now? You are saying, God, use this man of God to locate my case. I want to talk to you now. There is a baby you are carrying. The name of that baby is Ibrahim. 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 Where is the baby? The prophet told you that.
Hello, that is solution. Final boss. I got a cool Yaburulola. I say, Chukwe. God of a mecon, if you men a bebuga, and yes, a Chuku. What to?
Sit down for 5 minutes. Madam, I am going to pray for you. I see this baby in the realm of the spirit. They attacked this baby when this baby was 1 month and few weeks.
Yes.
They came to attack the baby. The baby began to cry. Was crying. That was how this attack came. The person that appeared to this baby is an old woman. They carried this baby and they took it outside in the night to do incantation. You know witchcraft. You don't see where witchcraft carry baby for CCTV camera. You don't see where witchcraft carry baby. They use and go play for outside. As they do and finish, you bless they return and back. That is what happened to this baby. And now, not only that, I am not seeing this baby as your baby. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Who is in Port Harcourt?
My husband.
Your husband.
Yes, sir.
They have changed this baby spiritually. Thus, they have changed it. Now look at it. This baby is over 1 year now. 1 year, 7 months or 8 months.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This baby is going to 2 years.
Yes, sir.
It cannot walk.
No.
It cannot talk.
No.
Prophesy, Papa.
Anointed
Miriam, I don't know why I enter Okpela.
My father's house.
That is your father's house.
Sir.
Are you the owner of this baby?
Yes, sir.
You are the one that gave birth to this baby.
Yes, sir.
They have changed the baby that is no longer your own. They are now the one carrying the baby.
Hey! Madam, they have changed your baby.
Power.
Madam, they have changed your baby. They carry your baby. You are suffering, madam. This baby no be your baby, madam. Madam, you are from Ebola and 1, 2.
Madam, I want to return Ibrahim to you.
Thank you.
Power. Because you don't tire. So they carry. Even if you they go school, you they go where? You see they go school? Out Chipoli. You go carry the baby. Every time. You don't have freedom. You must carry the baby. An old woman is carrying the baby. An old woman exchange the baby. But I will do something for you now. Power.
If you dey go with Chipoli, you go carry the baby. If you dey go church, you go carry the baby. An old woman they carry your baby. Madam, Ochena the prophetic Dayimana, he told me to tell you, after today, your case will be settled. 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 You are. Sabo, I'm Subora, I'm Tolo, Angelo, I'm Cobolo. I never do never. If I took a man of Nobuka, God of prophet, original God, God of prophetic Toyivan, God of land of solution, God of prophet Mekano, God of Mekano, he did do amo, he did do, God of Mekano, he did do, God of Meka, he did do, God of Mekano, he did do, God of Mekao, he did do, 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 God of America, God of Russia, power. Hey, God of America, God of America, God of America,
Madam, what I did now is a spiritual thing.
Okay, sir.
I collect the baby back.
Okay, sir.
I don't put time. You are the owner of the baby now. Now, take this oil,
Okay.
sprinkle it inside the water.
Okay.
Use it to bath this baby.
Okay, sir.
Eh?
Okay.
By the time you wake up, you see that this baby will begin to walk. Wait. A big God of Emeka they fail.
No.
It don't fail una before.
No.
Sister Maria, go.